Hello, I'm Michael Devadurai, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Today we have seen about the topic is types of pumps used in construction. So types of pumps used in construction. Water pumps are commonly used on the construction sites to remove excess water accumulated due to heavy rain or high water table. The choice of water pumps of construction sites is dependent on the complexity of the project, amount and rate which the liquid is removed. Factors affecting the selection of water pumps of the construction site: the power of the pump, material of the pump, motor pump of fuel type, head record of the application. Types of pumps for construction sites: centrifugal pumps, displacement pumps, submersible pumps, airlift pumps. Centrifugal pumps. A centrifugal pump consists of a rotating impeller that moves water into a pump and discharges it. A rotating impeller creates a vortex as a result of which air is taken from the external environment, and the developing atmospheric pressure causes the water to. Properties of centrifugal pumps. Centrifugal pumps are applied to the pump water in facilities. Pneumatic pumps are compatible. It is used to pump water from the domestic wells. This can act as a sump pump in either vertical or horizontal configuration. Proper operations of centrifugal pump requires priming. Displacement pumps. Pumps displacement can classify into reciprocating pumps, discharge diaphragm pumps, diaphragm pumps. Reciprocating pumps work based on the movement of the piston in a cylinder. Large reciprocating possesses 2 to 3 cylinders. When the piston moves in one direction, the water is drawn into the cylinder. When the piston moves to the rear end, water is pushed. Diaphragm pumps. Diaphragm pumps work by the drawing water into the cylinder during the raising and lowering of diaphragm. When the diaphragm moves out, water is sucked into the cylinder. As it moves down, it is discharged into the delivery pump. Diaphragm pumps can deliver liquid that contains 10 to 15%. Submersible pumps. Submersible pumps are some power pumps or electric. Submersible pumps is called as ASP. The pump consists of a sealed motor closed coupled to the pump body. The whole unit is submerged to the fluid to the pump. Further, there is a space between the pump and the casing facilities the movement of the water. Airlift pump consists of the vertical pipe that is submerged well such that way through major portion of the pump line, the air and the bottom carries the water of the pump and finally delivery area. The airlift pumps are mainly used for individual comfort dam. What are the factors affecting the selection of pumps for construction site? The pump of the power of the pump, material of the pump, the motor type or fuel type of the pump, head required by the application. What are the uses of diaphragm pumps in construction sites? The diaphragm pumps can be used to deliver liquids that contains 10 to 15% solid and can work with water. Various flow characteristics. What are the uses of submersible pumps in construction sites? Submersible pumps are used for heavy duty pumping construction with mainly involves lifting and gritty water. Some pumps consist of centrifugal unit and motor mounted in a single cylindrical unit as shown in figure. There is a space between the pump and casing facilities. Movement of the pump water up to the rising main. Submersible pumps are used for heavy duty pumping in construction which mainly involves lifting of gritty water. Reciprocating pumps can gain high efficiency and are reliable. They can pump the liquid at very leading heads uniform distance. These are the best suitable for low flow conditions. Diaphragm pumps works by the drawing water into the cylinder during the raising and lowering of diaphragm. When the diaphragm moves out, water is sucked into the cylinder as it is discharged to the delivery pipe. So reciprocating pumps work based on the movement of the piston in a cylinder. Large reciprocating pumps possess 2 to 3 cylinders. When the piston moves in the one direction, The water is drawn into the cylinder when the piston moves to the rear and water is pushed out. Thank you.